Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're going to learn two very useful Hebrew words, biglal and ki. They both mean because, but we use them in different ways. Let's see how they work with lots of examples. Let's start with biglal. The word biglal means because of or due to. Biglal. Biglal. For example, to say the balcony is wet because of the rain, say המרפסת רטובה בגלל הגשם. המרפסת, the balcony, רטובה, wet, singular female, בגלל, because of, הגשם, the rain. To say, I didn't sleep well because there was noise from the street. Say, לא ישנתי טוב בגלל שהיה רעש מהרחוב. לא, not. ישנתי, I slept. טוב, well. בגלל, because of. שהיה, that there was. רעש, noise. מהרחוב, from the street. To say he's happy because he got a good grade on the test. Say, הוא שמח בגלל שהוא קיבל ציון טוב במבחן. הוא, he, שמח, happy, singular male, בגלל, because of, שהוא, that he, קיבל, got, singular male, ציון, a grade, טוב, good, singular male, במבחן, on the test. Now here's the interesting part. The word biglal changes depending on who we're talking about. Let's go through all of its forms with examples. To say because of me, say biglali. 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 To say we were late to the show because of me, say איחרנו להופעה בגללי. איחרנו, we were late, להופעה, to the show, בגללי, because of me. To say they are angry at you because of me. When speaking to a male, say הם כועסים עליך בגללי. הם, they, כועסים, angry, plural, עליך, at you, singular male, בגללי, because of me. To say because of you, when speaking to a singular male, say בגללך. 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 To say he left early because of you. Say, הוא עזב מוקדם בגללך. הוא, he, עזב, left, singular male, מוקדם, early, בגללך, because of you, singular male. To say, you forgot to bring the food. Everyone is hungry because of you. Say, שכחת להביא את האוכל. כולם רעבים בגללך. שכחת, you forgot, singular male, להביא, to bring, את האוכל, the food, כולם, everyone, רעבים, hungry, plural. בגללך, because of you, singular male. To say because of you, when speaking to a singular female, say בגללך. 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 To say they are late to class because of you, say הם מאחרים לשיעור בגללך. הם, they, מאחרים, late, plural, לשיעור, to the class, בגללך, because of you, singular female. To say, I didn't sleep well because of you, say, לא ישנתי טוב בגללך. לא, not, ישנתי, I slept, טוב, well, בגללך, because of you, singular female. To say, because of him, say, בגללו. 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 To say, she was nervous all day because of him, say, היא הייתה עצבנית כל היום בגללו. היא, she, הייתה, was, singular female, עצבנית, nervous, singular female, כל, all, היום, the day, בגללו, because of him. To say, we're not speaking because of him, say, אנחנו לא מדברים בגללו. אנחנו, we, לא, not, מדברים, speaking, plural, בגללו, because of him. To say, because of her, say, בגללה. 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 To say, he missed the bus because of her, say, הוא פספס את האוטובוס בגללה. הוא, he, פספס, missed, singular male, את האוטובוס, the bus, בגללה, because of her. To say, I'm not coming to the party because of her. As a male, say, אני לא בא למסיבה בגללה. אני, I, לא, not, בא, coming, singular male, למסיבה, to the party, בגללה, because of her. To say, because of us, say, בגללנו. 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 To say, they got punished because of us, say, הם קיבלו עונש בגללנו. הם, they, קיבלו, got or received, plural, עונש, a punishment, בגללנו, because of us. To say, the class was prolonged because of us, say, השיעור התארך בגללנו. השיעור, the class, התארך, was prolonged, בגללנו, because of us. To say, because of you, when speaking to plural males or to a mixed group, say, בגללכם. 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 To say, the teacher yelled at us because of you, say, המורה צעק עלינו בגללכם. המורה, the male teacher, צעק, yelled, singular male, עלינו, at us, בגללכם, because of you, plural males. To say, they didn't come because of you. When speaking to plural males, say, הם לא באו בגללכם. הם, they, לא, not, באו, came, plural, בגללכם, because of you, plural males. To say, because of you, when speaking to a group of females, say, בגללכן. 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 To say, he said, because of you. Say, הוא עצוב בגללכן. הוא, he, עצוב, sad, singular male, בגללכן, because of you, plural females. To say, the coach got angry at them because of you. Say, המאמן כעס עליהם בגללכן. המאמן, the male coach, כעס, was angry, singular male, עליהם, at them, בגללכן, because of you, plural females. To say, because of them, when referring to a group of males or to a mixed group, say, בגללם. 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 To say, we lost the game because of them. Say, הפסדנו את המשחק בגללם. הפסדנו, we lost, את המשחק, the game, בגללם, because of them, males. To say, I'm upset because of them. As a male, say, אני עצבני בגללם. אני, I, עצבני, upset, singular male, בגללם, because of them. To say, because of them, when referring to a group of females, say, בגללן. 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 To say, she was late to work because of them. Say, היא איחרה לעבודה בגללן. היא, she, איחרה, was late, singular female, לעבודה, to the work, בגללן, because of them, females. To say, he doesn't want to come because of them. Say, הוא לא רוצה לבוא בגללן. הוא, he, לא, not, רוצה, want, singular male, לבוא, to come, בגללן, because of them, females. Now, let's talk about another very common word, כי. It also means because, but we use it differently. It connects two sentences in a connection of cause and effect. You can think of כי like the English because, while בגלל is more like because of. Let's see some examples. To say, I'm tired because I worked all night. As a male, say, אני עייף כי עבדתי כל הלילה. אני, I, עייף, tired, singular male, כי, because, עבדתי, I worked, כל, all, halayla, the night. To say he's happy because today is Shabbat. Say, הוא שמח כי היום שבת. he, שמח, happy, singular male, כי, because, היום, today, Shabbat, Sabbath. To say we're staying home because it's raining. Say, אנחנו נשארים בבית כי יורד גשם. אנחנו, we, נשארים, staying, plural, בבית, at home, כי, because, יורד, goes down, גשם, rain. To say she isn't coming because she is sick. Say, היא לא באה כי היא חולה. היא, she, לא, not, באה, coming, singular female, כי, because, היא, she, חולה, sick, singular female. To say, I study Hebrew because I love the language. As a male, say, אני לומד עברית כי אני אוהב את השפה. אני, I, לומד, study, singular female, עברית, Hebrew, כי, because, אני, I, אוהב, love, singular male, את השפה, the language. There are actually a few more ways to say because in Hebrew. For example, מפני ש or משום ש. But בגלל and כי are by far the most common in everyday Hebrew. If you master these two, you'll sound completely natural in almost any situation. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Hebrew lessons. And if you want to download the worksheet and to support the channel, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. תודה רבה. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video.